Hello guys, and welcome back to my messy desk. But for now we're not going to review in my desk, so let's go. Okay, this is the review for now. This is the mini vibrator tumbler. I fill this with silica sand, and now after 15 minutes, as you can see, it's not glossy anymore. Okay, now the number 2, I fill this with a glossy thinner. Not a very expensive thinner, but I just need just a little, just to make it vibrating. I don't put it too much, and as you can see, this is the SHF Iron Man, which is, the paint is very bad quality, and if you put another paint on top of this, you will regret the result. Now this is fully stripped, and I'm happy for it. Just don't forget to wash the sanded one after it been sanded, because there's a lot of particles. As you can see here, this is softly sanded. It's like 2000 grit or something. Yeah, very smooth. I love it. Let me flip this one first. Whoa, it's moving around like crazy. Oh yeah, for the color before this was, I think, is enamel gold from a spray can. It's only need a second to make all the paint comes off easily. So you don't want to lift this up. The paint is jumping around. I mean the thinner, the fluid inside it, jumping like crazy. Oh, this is so slick. Remember, the thinner is not very not a plastic friendly, so I suggest you to put here just for a minute or two, and then rub it with clothes or anything you can find. If you're still not satisfied with the result, you just put it back. And remember to put glove on, okay? Don't be like me. It's not skin friendly either. As you can see, it's drop off easily. Okay. Okay, this is my review for two of this little guy with heavy duty. And remember, you can put EPA on the container about this much. Don't put it too much, because the what is it called, because the machine won't take too much weight. And you can put the 3D print result in here and clean it with APA, or you can choose another other cleaning products like in YouTube or tutorial like that. So if you want to buy one of these, I sell it not too expensive. This is not expensive. It's about 200,000 rupiah, or about $15 or $16, whatever. And I put the links below. So yeah, if you want this, you get this big package with, of course, silica sand on it, 300 grams. But you won't get any fluid inside, because I can't send any fluid within the package anywhere, because it's very flammable. EPA and thinner is very flammable. It's dangerous. Okay guys, thank you, and this is my review. Hope you like it. Don't have to click the subscribe button, but please press the thumbs up for me. And see you, bye bye, and have a good day.